Hello and welcome back. I wanted to put a quick insert into a quick clip into the beginning of the footage because when I actually filmed this I was in the middle of filming a weekly vlog, so I'd just been sort of getting ready and doing my makeup and stuff beforehand, so I didn't really start with the explanation straight away, so that's why the footage is going to kind of seem like it's come out of nowhere and that I have gone in halfway through a sentence. So I just wanted to quickly come in here and do a little intro and say that, yeah, it just seems like now is my time to stop weekly vlogging, but I have explained it a little bit more, so I'm not gonna completely stop making videos, but I am not weekly vlogging anymore. So yeah, a little bit more of an explanation now. So I haven't really vlogged that much because it has been so busy, and in all honesty I'm kind of losing my love for vlogging. I feel like there's nothing more demoralizing than losing subscribers every single time you upload a video. I've been stuck on like 15,000 subscribers for honestly a good couple of years now, and clearly it's not going anywhere. And as much as I love connecting with you guys, I'm only really doing it for those 5 or 6 people that I get asked about, like where the new vlogs are and stuff. And as much as I appreciate that you guys still like watching my vlogs, when I've only got like a few hundred people watching them, it definitely makes me feel like the time has come, especially now that I'm full-time at work. And I know that lots of people do vlog with a full-time job, but when I'm not getting people watching my videos anyway, it kind of seems a bit pointless. Not pointless, because I do enjoy vlogging, I do, but I have not got the same love for it that I used to have, I think. And I don't want to have a vlog that is just me meal prepping, going to the gym and going to work, because that's not that fun, but it's the reality of life. And I was thinking about this, that I don't want to completely say that I'm never going to put up a video again, because I don't want to say I'm quitting for good and then in like a month, if I want to film a video and put it up, I get stigmatised for doing that. But at the moment it seems like there's not much point in doing my weekly vlogs when people just aren't watching it, and I'm just putting so much more pressure and stress on myself making sure that I have got the vlog up every week when I'm getting a handful of people watching it. And it's not about the numbers. People don't do YouTube people didn't, when I first started YouTube, we didn't do it for the numbers, but I would be lying if I said that you don't think about the numbers, because you do. It's kind of like with everything, like at work you want to reach your targets, you want to like get new business, yada yada yada. So I do look at the fact that I've been stuck on 15,000 subscribers for X amount of years and I'm only getting a few hundred views on each video now, because it's just like, what's the point? When I appreciate those of you who do ask me when the next vlog is going up and things like that, I don't feel about it how I used to feel. And I have been thinking about it for a few days, and at this point in life, now that I am fully committed to my job and the business and I'm trying to move out and things like that, I think I'm just at a different point in my life where I was 5 years ago, and I was making videos because I hated school and I felt self-conscious, and I still love makeup and I still have the same feelings about makeup that I did when I started my channel. Like, I started doing makeup tutorials, which I don't do anymore, but I started doing them because I was self-conscious at school and makeup was like the thing that made me feel better about myself, and I loved doing other people's makeup because I loved seeing the confidence that I could instill in someone just by makeup, and I still do my friends' makeup and I still give my friends advice, and so I've not changed in that sense, but so much has happened in the past 5 years that I am not the same girl that was 17 and scared to leave the house, you know, like I'm 22, I've really grown up, and I'm trying to create a life for myself now, and I've been through a lot of shit in the last 5 years, and it's been really, really tough, and you guys have been such a massive support for me, especially when my parents started separating and going through the divorce, and that's all still going on, and it's really difficult, it's really hard, but it makes you a stronger person and you have to learn from it. That's honestly what I've tried to take from the last 5 years, is that whatever happens to you happens for a reason, and you have to find strength in it and find positivity in it. And it's difficult sometimes, and you guys have always been there to see what's been going on. And I still would like to use my channel to put like memories and stuff on it. So if I do go on holiday for my birthday, if I do go back to Anton, then most likely I'll make a video about it. When I say Anton, I mean St. Anton in Austria. Like if I go back skiing for my birthday, which I'm really hoping that I will do, like when I move out and stuff, I want to vlog that journey. But I just think at the moment, weekly vlogging, I think I need to kind of put it to bed now and say, you guys have been amazing, thank you for always being there, but I think I need to do life on my own for a bit now. I'm still going to be on social media and stuff, but for the moment I think I'm going to bid the weekly vlogging adieu. So thank you for always support. Those of you who have truly supported me every single time I upload a video. You guys know who you are, who constantly comment on my channel. You guys are wonderful. I'll still be on Snapchat, I'll still be on Instagram. But for now, I'll see you when I see you.